Hello and welcome to our Hogan Lovells video tutorials on digital transformation and law. My name is Christian Tinnefeld. I'm a partner in the Hamburg office of Hogan Lovells, and my main focus is on data protection, IT and cybersecurity, data regulation and AI law. Today, I would like to introduce the European Data Act and the challenges it will bring for companies doing business in Europe in the context of connected products, related digital services and cloud computing. So let's kick it off. What is it about? In January 2024, another law of the European Digital Strategy came into effect, the European Data Act. This law will bring new obligations and requirements for data holders, manufacturers of connected products, and providers of related services, including cloud service providers. The information and data from the use of connected products such as IoT devices, smart home products, medical products, intelligent buildings, or automotives are collected, but often remain unused in data silos at the data holders. The European legislator introduced the EU Data Act to break up these silos and to foster the data economy and digital innovation in Europe. Data shall become more interoperable, portable, with an open access to users, third-party recipients, and thereby the value of data shall be unlocked. The EU Data Act applies to all sectors and is relevant for all companies doing business in Europe by selling products that obtain, generate, or collect data concerning its use or environment, or by offering digital services, including software, that relate to such products. And the new law will apply as of September 2025, so it's time to move and prepare for the new requirements and obligations. Why does it matter? The new law is truly disruptive. The EU Data Act associates the right to use the data that is generated and processed by connected products and related services to the users of such products and services, rather than to the data holders, manufacturers, lessors, sellers, or providers of such goods and products. The users can request access to the data or instruct the data holder to transfer the data to a designated third party. Companies who are the data holder or the manufacturer, seller or lessor of a connected product, or the provider of a related service will have to obtain a license to keep on using the data, for instance, for data analytics and product development. If they fail to obtain such usage rights from the user before September 2025, they are in non-compliance with the new law and exposed to various claims that could be raised by individuals, competitors, associations or regulators. New requirements and obligations at a glance. As I said, the EU Data Act will be a disruption and significantly change the landscape and data economy. Companies will have to prepare for new user claims, revise their products and service terms and conditions, produce transparent information on the connected products and digital services they offer. And most relevant, companies are required to know exactly what data is being collected, where such data is stored, how it can be retrieved and disclosed to the user. They will have to make up their mind what data can be disclosed, what data qualifies as confidential information and trade secrets, how such data can be protected, how to handle personal data that is included in the product data and related services data, and much more. This will require new workflows and roles in the company, a diligent data mapping and data governance. How to prepare for the EU Data Act? When you look at all these new requirements, obligations and challenges the EU Data Act will bring, it becomes pretty clear that this is not a lawyer's exercise, and this is nothing your data analytics teams or information technology department can take care of alone. Rather, companies should understand this is a complex and holistic IT project, bringing various teams and departments in the company together, or even within the company group. Like with any IT project, this will require a diligent project planning and a dedicated team with reasonable headcount and resources to make the company fit for the new age and protect its business and legal interests. In our next video, we will show you how such an EU Data Act implementation project could look like. You can click on the video stream that shows up here. So stay tuned. Thank you.